The last one here is around controlling the design of the steering wheels. I think most cars they still have a fairly round or slightly squared off steering wheel, but we're starting to see some concepts, an option for a yoke type steering wheel where the top is really sawed off, similar to a racing car. But in terms of safety standards, there's going to be new safety tests in China, specifically around 10 points in the steering wheel. So they measured the weakest and unsupported areas. It's going to be mandatory for all designs. So if there's no continuous upper rim, some of those test points don't actually exist at all. So those cars wouldn't pass those regulations. And test points are required because in the event of a crash, you don't want the driver to go full forward straight into the windshield or into the instrument cluster in front of them. You want some sort of barrier there. So being able to have that protection there is very important. I don't really think the yoke steering wheel was solving a problem. I think everyone's been fine with a round steering wheel. I guess there's more visibility if you cut off the top, but generally speaking, cars are well enough designed these days where even with a round steering wheel, you can still see well enough in front of you. So it's a solution looking for a problem. So I'm glad again that safety and cooler heads have prevailed, and this is going to be mandated to prevent any of these yoke steering wheels from coming to market as well. And then from a practical angle, it's also just annoying with a yoke steering wheel for basic maneuvers such as hand over hand. I'm glad that a lot of these changes are now being introduced across the board. And who would have thought that it would be China